In this video, I will be showing you how to create a new channel in Slack. So let's get started. So here in Slack, to the left, we will be having the channels option. In case if you're already having multiple ones, it will be displayed over here. Here we are having a plus option which says create a channel. Just select it. I'll just have it as latest updates, something like this. And this channel name should be unique. In case if you're having an existing channel with the same name, you cannot use that. And just click on next. Next is going to be the visibility, if it's public or private, which means if it's public, anyone in your organization or workspace can join it. And if it's private, only with the help of invitation, you will be able to add people inside this channel. So that's basically up to you. I'll just go with public for now and click on create. Next, we will get an option to add people into our Slack channel. So just put their email address and add them if you want to. If you don't want, you can just simply click on skip for now and add it later. And we have got our channel created. If you want to invite members, again you can go here and put their email ID and join. And apart from that, if you want to make some changes, go to this more actions, and here we are having the notification settings and search in channel, add a workflow, add template. Click on edit settings, and here you will be able to change the channel name, get the huddle details, and like give permissions for add and remove tabs, change it to a private channel, archive a channel, delete this channel. So here you are having like so many options. You can see who are available over here, add people, change the description, just basic stuff over here. And another easy way how you can join a particular channel is, let's suppose say you are going into a direct message, okay, you are in a DM of a person. If you just type the hash symbol, this will basically show you all the channels that are present in your workspace, okay. So here, as you can see, we are having the latest updates. You can simply click that and send it. And if a particular user just select this, here we are having view channel, right? They can simply click on it and they will be taken to that particular channel. And if it's public, they can easily like join it, but if it's private, it's only basis on invitation. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.